So here we have the 2022 BMW i4 40 M Sport. This vehicle features a whole host of factory fitted packages and options, starting with the M Sports Pro package. Visibility package including laser lights, full driver's assistant professional, adaptive cruise control with assisted driving mode and blind spot monitors, the stunning 19-inch alloy wheels, 360-degree cameras which come as part of the parking assistant plus package, technology package giving the car palm and cardon, head-up display and wireless charging. As you can see by this video and the images, it is totally stunning in every way. In the front grille we've got the larger unit in the bottom of the grille. That's your adaptive cruise, your adaptive cruise and driving assistant professional. Your video camera, that's part of the 360 parking package. There's your head-up display unit, projects everything you want onto the windscreen. Your blind spot monitor to the inside. Comfort Plus pack giving the vehicle memory seats. Takura red Alaska leather. So the list is just endless on this car. Heated steering wheel, comfort access, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that comes on the vehicle anyway. These just have, this model has just got everything. Been really highly spec'd. So this comes as part in the driving driver's assistant professional. Assisted driving mode. I use it in my car all the time, the assisted driving is brilliant. Palm and cardon, lumbar support, that's also on the vehicle. Tri-zone air conditioning with twin USB ports in the rear of the vehicle. We've got the 3-pin charger in the bag, Type 2 cable, and under the boot floor again we've got the subwoofer and tyre. Both boards can be removed, making it a totally conventional hatchback. There we go, it's a pretty place to be. The rear tyres on this vehicle are absolutely brand fire new, they're a brand new set of Pirellis. Fully electrically adjustable passenger seat as well. So there we have it, the extremely high specification BMW i4 M Sport.